Mate, this is fucking unreal.
Yeah, I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jake and Jacob's Phlog. This is the start of our second series, which we're working on while we're away in Europe. We landed in Amsterdam yesterday. Got an hour and a half car ride out to the house where we're renting our motorhome from. And the weather has been very patchy since arriving. But as you can see, we're currently in a good patch. We're just cruising down one of the side streets off the main road, basically, which is where the guy we're renting off is staying on, or lives. And we're about to capture a couple of snaps of the area. I'm gonna shoot some on the Panasonic GH5, and Jake's gonna shoot on his iPhone 8 Plus. Enjoy.
Just come across this beautiful house and has to be shot. I am going to try and shoot it on the 18mm moment lens on my iPhone 8 Plus. These lenses are unreal. Although the reflection's not great, the only thing that's really reflecting at the moment is kind of the triangle roof.
So we're on the main road right now, and yesterday I went for a little jog, just to, you know, loosen up the muscles after 3 flights over here, and saw this beautiful house. And it's kind of like a wooden cabin with a nice brick wall. I am just switching out the 25mm lens, the Panasonic that is. This one goes as wide as 1.7, but it's not really of any use right now, this focal length, because there's a canal separating me and this wooden cabin, so I need to get a little bit tighter, I reckon. On the 12 to 60 goes. And that's a wrap, ladies and gents. Vlog 1, finito.
Number 1.
How fun was that?
Fucking unreal. Best shit I've ever done.
We didn't have the biggest expectations for Hoogeveen because we were flying to Amsterdam. So we kind of wanted originally to chill there for a few days. And we didn't do much research into it, and we kind of just got here and explored with our cameras. Jake did it on his iPhone. How did you find it?
I found it very interesting. I've shot a little bit with the iPhone in the past, just, you know, dabbling here and there, but I thought that this trip would be a good way to actually delve into that and see how far I could push the iPhone. So I was shooting a lot with the Moment 58mm lens, and yeah, some of the portraits I got in a little community farm, an old guy hanging out of his house, and some architecture around here. They all turned out 10 times better than I was expecting. I was, yeah, really impressed. What about you? You're shooting with the GH5 and you don't usually shoot a lot of digital, more of a film guy?
I do normally shoot film, so it was a little bit frustrating at first. We predominantly use our GH5s for video, and they're amazing for that. But something we want to do on this trip is try a range of different cameras. Taking a few shots of architecture, we came across an old boy and his wife, and the old boy kind of poked himself out of his house, which was really exciting, really cool, and it was just a beautiful house. Plenty more vlogs on the way, folks, and lots of good times, basically.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna mix things up a bit and kind of shoot an episode each, and then sometimes we'll both be putting our snaps in episodes, which is going to be cool.
Yeah, we're going to try and try and take a look one-on-one at how each of us shoot our photos. So one episode Jacob will be shooting with his, say, Mamiya, and I will be filming B-roll and getting up close and personal with how he actually shoots those photos.
It's going to be cool because one of us will be getting creative with the video side of things, and the other will be taking stills. And yeah, we're taking you along for the ride, giving you a tour of all these beautiful towns which we're about to go explore.
Let's do it.
Ciao!